The Adventure of Timmy and the Magic Tree. Imagine a peaceful village surrounded by green hills. In this village lived a curious boy named Timmy. One sunny afternoon, Timmy found a tree with sparkling leaves. "Wow, what kind of tree is this?" said Timmy. The tree spoke. "Hello, Timmy. I'm the Magic Tree. Are you ready for an adventure?" The tree gave Timmy a glowing key. "Take this key. It opens a hidden world where animals talk." Timmy found a tiny door and unlocked it. He entered a magical land with talking animals. "Welcome, Timmy. We need your help to find the lost crown of kindness," said a rabbit. Timmy and his friends found the crown of kindness under a glowing flower. "You've done it, Timmy," said the magic tree. "You've shown bravery and kindness." Timmy returned home smiling. The key disappeared, but the memories stayed. He knew every day could be magical. Thanks for joining us. Remember, the magic is always inside you.